The type of cardboard easiest cut on the Cricut is flat cardboard. This is the type of cardboard used for many food containers, such as cereal boxes. Flat cardboard works great with the Cricut machine because the material is flat and firm, but not too thick. So go raid the pantry for empty food boxes and let's get started. Trim the food box to create a flat piece of cardboard that is no larger than the size of a Cricut mat, which is 12 by 12. Then grab a standard grip mat and place the cardboard on the mat. Secure the flat cardboard in place with painter's tape at the corners to be sure the material does not move. In Cricut Design Space, choose a design for your cardboard cut. A simple design will work best with the thicker material. Size your design to make sure the cut will take place on the piece of cardboard positioned on the mat. The cut settings I used for the Cricut Maker were poster board with more pressure. The cut settings I used for the Explorer Air 2 was flat cardboard with more pressure. Cardboard can come in a variety of thicknesses, and sometimes the Cricut did not cut all the way through the first time. Next, I will show you how to fix that problem. Once the cut is complete, do not unload the mat. Grab a weeding tool and check if the cut went all the way through. If not, repeat the cut by pressing the C button. You can add your own style to the cardboard shape by adding vinyl or paper. For these mini bunny shapes, I applied pattern iron-on vinyl with a Cricut Easy Press Mini. When using iron-on over cardboard, apply the heat at the lowest setting for 20 seconds with light pressure. Carefully peel back the clear transfer once the surface is cool. You can also add embellishments like paper flowers, ribbons, gems, and cotton balls. These shapes can be used for signs, ornaments, plaques, and kid crafts. These cardboard shapes are a simple and quick way to dress up your decor for the season.